Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Need to update your payment method on Temu. Here's how in under a minute. First of all, open the Temu application and make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then go to your profile icon. Here, make sure your account is connected. You can use Facebook account or Google account. Then you'll find the option called setting your icon at the left side corner at the top. Click on it. Here you'll find to switch account, sign out your account. You'll find your account security. You can change the country and region, and you can choose the appropriate language. Now to change your payment method, click on your payment method. Here you can add a credit or debit card, or you have already added it. But if you have already added it before, you can see all your saved credit cards here. To update details, remove the old card and tap add new card. Then enter your updated info. Save your changes and your new card will be used for future orders. And that's it. Quick, easy and secure. Follow for more Temu tips, and I'll see you in the next one.